Have you ever wondered how successful YouTubers find the perfect keywords to make their videos go viral? Imagine unlocking a tool that not only helps you generate ideas, but also finds the most effective keywords for your content. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for YouTube keyword research, step by step. By the end, you'll be equipped with a powerful strategy to elevate your YouTube game. Ready to dive in? Step 1. Understanding your content's focus and setting up ChatGPT. Before diving into keyword research, you need to have a clear understanding of your content's focus. Think about your niche, target audience, and the specific message you want to convey. This clarity is essential because it guides ChatGPT in generating relevant keyword ideas. Step 2. Set up an initial prompt. Now that you've got your content focus in mind, it's time to set up ChatGPT. Open up your ChatGPT interface. Start by inputting a simple yet effective prompt. You can use something like, "Give me a list of potential video topics and keywords related to your niche or topic." For instance, if your video is about herbal remedies, you might ask, "Give me a list of potential video topics and keywords related to herbal remedies that help with sleep." ChatGPT will generate a list of keywords and potential topics that align with your content focus. Take a few minutes to review this list and pick out the ones that resonate with your video's goal. This step is about getting a broad range of ideas that you can refine in the following steps. Step 3. Refining and expanding your keyword list. Once ChatGPT has provided a broad set of keywords, it's time to refine and expand on them. Here's where we narrow down the list to the most promising keywords. Start by analyzing the initial list to identify keywords that best match your content's focus. Ask ChatGPT to dig deeper. Can you expand on these keywords with variations or related terms that have a high search volume on YouTube? ChatGPT will now provide you with a more comprehensive list, including long-tail keywords, which are often less competitive and more targeted. These are gold mines for niche content creators because they target specific queries that potential viewers are searching for. Step 4. Detailed keyword research using ChatGPT. Now, let's go deeper into the keyword research process using ChatGPT. This step involves breaking down the list into even more refined options and understanding the potential impact of each keyword. Start by selecting a keyword from your refined list and ask ChatGPT, "Can you provide insights on how competitive this keyword is and suggest related but less competitive alternatives?" ChatGPT will analyze the keyword, taking into account factors like competition and search volume. It might suggest long-tail keywords or related terms that can give you an edge in ranking. Next, take those suggestions and ask ChatGPT, "How can I optimize a video for this specific keyword?" ChatGPT will generate tips for optimizing your content around that keyword, including how to use it in your title, description, tags, and even your video script. This process helps ensure that your chosen keywords are not only relevant, but also strategically integrated into your content for maximum impact. To optimize a video for the keyword "top herbal teas for better sleep," start by including the keyword directly in your video title, like "top herbal teas for better sleep. Discover the best blends for a restful night." This helps viewers immediately understand the video's focus. In your description, introduce the topic and mention the keyword, providing a detailed overview of the video content. Use timestamps to make it easier for viewers to navigate and include a call to action encouraging them to like, comment, and subscribe. When choosing tags, use the primary keyword along with related terms such as herbal sleep teas and natural sleep remedies to help YouTube categorize your video effectively. Design a visually appealing thumbnail featuring high-quality images of herbal teas with a clear text overlay of the keyword. Throughout the video, introduce the topic early and use variations of the keyword while discussing each tea's benefits and preparation. Ensure captions are accurate and include keywords to enhance SEO. Add the video to relevant playlists, such as herbal remedies for sleep, to increase its visibility. Encourage viewer interaction by asking questions and responding to comments, which boosts engagement. Finally, use end screens and cards to suggest related videos, and include a call to action for subscribing or watching more content. By following these strategies, you'll improve your video's visibility and effectiveness for the keyword top herbal teas for better sleep. Step 5. Validating keywords with VidIQ. With a refined list of keywords in hand, the next crucial step is validating these keywords using VidIQ. VidIQ is a powerful tool that provides in-depth analytics on keyword performance. Here's how to do it. 1. Log in to VidIQ and head to the keyword research section. 2. Enter your chosen keyword into the search bar. VidIQ will provide metrics such as search volume, competition score, and overall keyword score. 3. Analyze the results. Look for keywords with high search volume but moderate to low competition. VidIQ's keyword score helps you understand how effective a keyword might be for your channel. Compare alternatives. If VidIQ shows that a keyword is highly competitive, look at the alternatives suggested by ChatGPT and run them through VidIQ as well. This step-by-step validation helps ensure you're not just guessing but making data-backed decisions. 5. Search again. Look up the keywords used in the VidIQ survey on YouTube to gather more comprehensive information on their performance and relevance. Once you've validated your keywords, note the ones with the best potential and integrate them into your video strategy. Step 6. Implementing keywords into your video content. Now that you've got your validated keywords, it's time to integrate them into your video content. Use your primary keyword in the video title, making sure it's catchy and relevant. Incorporate secondary keywords naturally into your video description, tags, and even within the video itself through verbal mentions or on-screen text. Step 7. Monitoring and adapting your strategy. After uploading your video, monitor its performance using both YouTube Analytics and VidIQ. Pay attention to metrics like click-through rate, CTR, watch time, and viewer engagement. If a video is performing well, consider creating follow-up content with similar keywords. If not, adjust your keyword strategy based on the data. And there you have it, a comprehensive step-by-step guide to using ChatGPT for YouTube keyword research. By following these steps, you'll be able to uncover powerful keywords, validate them with data, and ultimately drive more traffic to your channel. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.